Hello, it's Michael Webb. I'm here in the great city of Lake Charles in the Sportsman's Paradise, Southwest Louisiana. Today I'm not coming to you from my kitchen. I'm visiting a dear friend and fellow teacher at Sam Houston High School, Miss Robin Perry. Miss Perry literally, no pun intended, had my back after I had back surgery. And right now she's down with knee surgery, has another knee surgery coming. So I decided to stop in today and cook her a lunch. We're going to be doing a HelloFresh meal. And this will be Miss Perry's first time to try one out. I will be cooking pork egg roll in a bowl. This has an Apricot-Chili Duck Sauce.
Ooh, that sounds good.
It's called duck sauce because it's typically used with duck, its namesake, or paired with egg rolls. It's a Chinese-American condiment. It has a very fruity base with a savory, sweet, and chili. There's some chili added and chili pepper for some heat and flavor. So, as always, I'm going to start with laying out my ingredients, making sure everything got here. Haven't had that problem, but I want to put my hands on everything. They might call it something in the ingredients that I don't recognize, so I want to find out what it is. If it says bok choy, would you have known that was cabbage? I didn't the first time I started cooking these. So I want to get all my ingredients laid out.
Baby, tell me how it feels.
All right, now I'm going to get out the tools I need, the things I need. I need some cooking oil, salt and pepper, and a medium-sized bowl, a couple of serving bowls, and some mixing bowls. Sauce is mixed up, and now I'm going to put the cabbage and the carrots and stuff in the skillet and soften them up.
Climb out of the bed. Now the wine's clouding your head.
I am going to do my pork. Follow this step when you're doing your pork. Press it out flat across the pan and allow it to brown well on the bottom before you start breaking it up and stirring it. That allows there to be a crispy, almost caramelized edging and underneath. It makes it a lot better on the salad. So press it out, brown it really well, and then start breaking it up and stirring it.
Into your house, and it's a shame it's not the same. You're good and gone, but I want you.
All right, everything's done. Jada, Princess Dynamite, and her friend Riley are going to be our first taste testers. So we're going to let the little girls taste first, and then Miss Perry's going to try out her lunch and let us know what she thinks. Very good. Another affordable, quality meal from HelloFresh and the taste testers. I'll give it a thumbs up, except for Riley. Riley's not a fan of cabbage.
Lost in